Alright guys, big moment. First quick little road trip on the car. We're gonna go probably about, I don't know, drive around for about 15 minutes or so. Let's just see what happens. But first, I gotta get my road buddy. First ride wouldn't be special without my faithful ride-along companion, Charles here. Ready? All's going good so far. Car's already getting loose. Well guys, we made it around safely and drove probably for a solid 30 minutes, so I think I can make it to work safely. Now it's time to take Mad Dick's. Been waiting. He was upset I took Charlie, not him, so pick up the boy and drive around the neighborhood a bit. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. We obviously didn't break down, so if you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe. Should have some more driving adventures, maybe some nice little road trips. I can meet up some people and cruise maybe. Do some other cool things. But now it's Maddox's turn. Say hi, Maddox.
Hi.
He said hi, Maddox. Alright. We're going to give him for a little quick ride, guys, and yeah, take care. Until next time.
Take a ride.